Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Irsyad.
So today we're gonna talk about news item text that we have discussed last week. But first, let me show you this video.
The coronavirus or COVID-19 starts in China 9 months ago. The number of people died from COVID-19 reaches 1 million now. More than 30 million people got sick in all of the world. The situation is very serious. The leader of United Nations speaks in public. He says that people and countries must help each other. 1 million is a very big number. People stop thinking about every single life. However, a very dead person is somebody's family or friend. Nobody knows when people will stop the sickness. However, it helps if people follow government's rules. It is important not to go to crowded places. People must wear masks and wash their hands.
Well, that was an example of a news item text. So, does anyone know what news item text is?
Mister, news item is a text which informs readers about events of the day. The events are considered newsworthy or important.
Very good. Then, what is the function of news item text?
I want to answer that question, Mister. The function of news item text is to inform the readers, listeners, or viewers about an event of the day that are considered as newsworthy or important.
Impressive. So, next, Jose. What are the structures that included in news item text?
So the structure of the news item text, the first one is newsworthy event, and the second one is I'm sorry, mister, I forgot it.
No, it's okay. Can anyone help Jose?
Sir. The first news text structure has a newsworthy event. The second is a background event or elaboration. And the last one is a sources.
Good. Last question. Is anyone here still remember what language features that used in news item text?
Mister, I can tell what is the language feature that used in this text. First, we have brief information contained in the headlines. So we don't need to write the headline specifically, but the headline should be related to the text. The second is focus on an event. As we all know, in news item text, there's usually only one main topic. Third, use action verbs. Action verbs or dynamic verbs are verbs used to indicate that the subject is performing an action or to state that something happened. And for example is run, growing, eat, drive, etc. Then we have use of same verb. This usually used when the news seeker want to write news item text. They use this verb. For example, say these words can explain additional information from witnesses or the police. Then using past tense, news item text tells of something that has happened and then it report. So that the writer must use the passive verb in writing the sentence. Then, using adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner mainly modify verbs and tell us the way in which something happens. For example is addingly, like carefully, slowly, luckily, etc. And the last one is use adverbs of time and place. Adverbs of times tell us when an action happened, but also for how long and how often. And adverbs of place tell us where something happened. For example is nearby, up there, outside, etc. I think that's all, teacher. Thank you.
Excellent. I'm sure you all still remember and understand what news item text is. So, after this, we will have a test about this material.